The TTS Remote Tuning System offers a secure, simple and adaptable remote monitoring system that will provide a high level of remote support to a customer without the need for an engineer or operator to be present on site. In these times of heightened security and safety, remote collaboration and support can become vital for the operation and maintenance of any automated system. The system components enhance administrative flexibility while maintaining a high level of security. This network operates independent of the client's network, so secure network barriers are maintained. Alternatively, connectivity can be established by connecting the equipment to a secure network where specific ports are open to allow remote connectivity. The system does not install additional software onto a client's computers. This design eliminates impact on the client's computer systems and removes software compatibility issues. Remote monitoring is highly customizable to fit NERC security requirements. Once the system is connected, the 4G LTE router will establish a connection and provide a path for TTS personnel to connect via secure VPN. Via this VPN, TTS will have access to the connected equipment. This can be any combination of 2 Wi-Fi webcams or 1 KVM over IP. The equipment provides 2 configuration options for remote tuning of DLN combustion systems. Once the connection is made for remote tuning, the remote tuner and operator can conduct the proper dynamics checks on the combustion chamber. The operator can also perform any changes to the fuel scheduling necessary to optimize the efficiency of the combustion system while being observed in real time by the combustion tuner. With remote tuning, all troubleshooting, adjustments and reactions can be directed and monitored by remote experts. From molecule to megawatt, we are here to provide technical solutions for operational excellence. Contact our team today and get started on your complete control system assessment. Call 407-677-0813 or visit us at www.ttsenergyservices.com.